What's good, YouTube? Is Constant, and I'm back with another video. I changed my name from Cocoa Sticks to Constant because I'm gonna try to bring out new content. As you can see, this is my first IRL video. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys a curly hair tutorial for black men, how to get your hair curly. I'm gonna show you guys you probably actually saw what it looks like in the thumbnail, but I'm gonna show you guys how to do it right now. So you're gonna need a conditioner. I use Cantu hydrating cream conditioner, but you can also use something like this. I know these are some of the two most popular hair conditioners, but I use Cantu. Now, what you want to do is you want to apply some to your hair. I only have a little bit left in this, so it's kind of hard to get it out. But so you don't want to use too much. I already have a little bit in my hair, but about this much is good. So you just want to rub it over your hands and apply it into your hair throughout your whole head. And you want to get it almost down to the scalp. See, my hair looks pretty frizzy right now, but after I'm done, you're gonna see a lot more curls in it. So you just want to get it throughout your hair. Alright. So I'm gonna get in the shower, and when I get in the shower, first I'm gonna apply the shampoo to my hair after it's wet. Then I'm gonna go in little circles like this around my head. Kind of like what you would do with a curl sponge, but with your fingers, like that. And then after I'm done, I'm gonna put my head in the water and I'm gonna shake it out like this, and like this. And after a while, it's gonna start to curl up on its own. It'll be pretty easy, so I'm gonna get a shower. But the first thing you wanna do when you get in the shower is to soak your hair with warm water. So that's what I did. Now that I soaked my hair, I'm just gonna pick it out. You probably can't hear me over the shower, but just listen closely. I'm gonna pick it out. Try not to get water on my phone. This is pretty hard. Don't pick it out all the way to the root. Just pick out the top layer of hair because you want it to be loose so that it can curl in a nice pattern. So just pick it out a little bit at the top. Don't overdo it, or else your hair is not gonna curl that easy. Alright, this is good now. So after I pick my hair out, I'm just gonna put shampoo in my hair, and then I'm gonna start to go in patterns like this from the back of my head until it's creating little coils around my hand. I'm gonna start from the back of my head and go all the way to the front like this. And I'm gonna do that across my whole head until it's pretty nappy or pretty coily, little bows like this. You're gonna notice that your hair starts to form locks around your fingers, and you just wanna keep going. Trust me, your hair is gonna be super curly after all of this. Can you see the locks in my hair? Once you get over your whole head, then you can just go like this a few times. And you can already start to see my hair is a little curly. But you need water to get curly hair. So after this step, to left, front to back, and circles like this. So you just want to shake it everywhere until all the shampoo is out. That's how you wash it. I didn't touch my hair since I got out of the shower. And you can rock the hairstyle like this. Just try to shake out as much water as you can. You don't want to shake too hard, or else you can get a headache, but that's really all you have to do. You can take a pick. Get my pick. You can take a pick and you can go like this and pull it out. You don't want to pick through your hair because you can ruin the curls like that, but that's really all you have to do. The more you shake it out, the more your hair will stand up. The more water you leave in, the more it's gonna drop down like this. Let me give you guys a better look. Tell me what you think in the comments. Like the video if you think my hair is actually looking curlier or not. I don't know, it's all you guys' opinions. But yeah, I said before, you don't want to go too crazy or you could end up giving yourself a headache or breaking your neck. But yeah, let me show you guys what my hair looks like now. I hope you guys got a good look. Now I'm just gonna brush the sides of my hair. Finish my look. This is how I usually go to school every day. I leave my hair wet and I just let it dry out. And then when it dries out, it holds the curls. So the more you do this every day and let your hair dry, the curlier and curlier your hair will get over time just by holding its curls. And I think this is one of the easiest tutorials. All you need is curl cream, cantu, and this is optional. And you need any kind of shampoo. And you can get your hair curly like mine. This isn't how my hair always was until I figured out this curly routine. It's called the JR method. Now you should try it out. It's been constant. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.